run a train.
We are on a train going from Austria to Italy with James and Chris. Chris is looking out the window. We're actually at the last stop now in Austria, and we're about to cross the border and go into Italy. And I wanted to talk a little bit about taking your dog with you on a train. So it really hasn't been too hard to take James with us everywhere. This is actually his third train ride. One of them was an overnight train. This one is just a regular railjet train. And basically when you travel with your dog, especially because James is such a big dog, every time we'd put in online that we were trying to buy a ticket for a dog, suddenly that train wasn't available, the train we were looking at. So what we found is that if you go to the train station and buy the tickets, then you can buy your tickets and also the train ticket for the dog, or for the hund as it is when we bought the tickets in Austria. So, and it's a fraction, like our tickets here, I think James's ticket was like a tenth of the price, or maybe it was a 20th, a tenth of the price of our ticket. So it's quite discounted, but you do still have to buy a ticket for the dog. And then when you go on the overnight trains and you have a dog, you have to get your own cabin, like a sleeping cabin where it's all just you. You can't sit in seats like this on an overnight train. You have to get one of the sleeper cabins for you and your dog. So those are a little more expensive, but they're really comfortable and it's worth it. So we have another video on that. You can maybe check that out. James is just chilling out on the train. So is Chris. So the problem is, James likes to sit walking the path. Sometimes the best laid plans don't always work out. So we had a stop in Italy where the train was going to be stopped for 9 minutes and a bunch of people were getting off to smoke, and I thought, you know what, we've been on the train for 5 hours. I know James can hold it for 12 hours, but let me just run him out there real quick. And I kept telling him to pick a spot, which is what I always say, but it was snowing, and it was snowing a lot, and he was so excited by the snow that he was just eating like huge mounds of snow, which he loves to do. Well, the problem with eating huge amounts of snow or ice, which used to be his favorite treat, is lately stuff that's really cold hits his belly and then he gets sick. So he didn't go to the bathroom, and we got back on the train, and I said to Chris he did go to the bathroom, but he ate a lot of snow, and then bam, Poodle got sick on the train. Luckily we got it all cleaned up and he feels fine. Let's see.